All right, guys, it is July 10th, coming off a loser on Tuesday, and it's almost 1:37 in the afternoon, and I've yet to make a single trade. And Thursday, which is today, is my last trade setup that I have for the week. So if I don't trade today, I've got nothing. And it brings me to my next point of these days are really tough if you're in front of your computer trying to make money because it's so easy to want to overtrade. And I'm hoping, and I've heard rumors that Edgeful, which is the algorithm or setup that I'm using to backtest and show me these executions, is going to have a way to automate and actually do the trades for you. So, like, let me see. Okay, here's one for example. I think this was, I don't know, Monday or maybe it was Friday, Thursday of last week. So it shows you when I entered and exited. They supposedly are going to have a way to automate this, and that's really kind of the goal for me. Is most of the work should not be the execution of just hitting enter or setting up the bracket orders. It's kind of like in my other business that I sold, where there was many different roles. You know, I had customer service, assembly, shipping, marketing, email, and I had to become an expert in each role, right? But once I became an expert and knew how to do it, I delegated. I didn't do the execution day to day. So that's where I'm hoping to get with Edgeful. Is like my job is to go in and create the best looking equity curve that I can possibly build for the longest time frame, and then let the algorithm or the bots or whatever you want to call it from Edgeful do the trade for me. And this is, in my opinion, going to be the best way where I can be fully unemotional and detached from the trading. Is all right, all my work is in the back end, but the button pushing, the setting up the bracket order, hitting buy and sell will no longer be something I do. So that is hopefully what will happen. I heard it's going to happen soon with the Algo. To do that, I will absolutely be trying that. I'm not sure if I'll go full size with it, just in case there's any slippage issues. But that's where I want to get to, and I think I'm going to just try to almost segment out where the execution is not something I should worry about. Because I could have spent all day from 9:30, well, I wait till later, but let's say 10:30 to 1:30 with nothing to do. Just stare at the chart. So really, I hope they come out with it. That's my alarm to pick up the dog, Rosie. This is her doggy daycare day. But anyways, automating the trading system to prevent overtrading would be the next step, and I'm hoping to show you guys that. And that's how I'm going to not overtrade, so I'm not staring at the screen, just looking for setups that aren't really there. So if you guys traded today, I hope you made some money. If not, subscribe. If you did, definitely subscribe. And let me know what you guys want me to talk about next, just on my journey here to get Backtest that looks so awesome that I'm confident enough to set them up with a bot and walk away. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much.